Okay, so this is round 2 on this phone. Crackers be breaking shit. I have the back glass for this, but I can't find where it is. Moment of silence. Yes, thank you, Mr. Apple. Wow, this is even smashed even more. The back on these is just a sheet of glass. I have to find where it is. Man, that stinks. Why did I do that in the beginning of this video? Alright, so anyway, this is round 2 on this phone. Now the digitizer is broke. You're obviously missing all this crap in here. Supposedly the speaker's not working. So with the speaker not working, I ordered a piece of glass. I ordered a replacement that has all this stuff attached to it, so I don't have to have any surprises. Here's how we dig this apart. They set the protective piece of glass. Okay, so see, it comes with all this attached already. Your speakers, your sensors, and everything. Just need to move the home button, which requires lifting this stuff up, I believe. Get the home button in there, I believe. It comes with the cage. It makes replacing the screen easier. Cage. Easier on carpal tunnel, that is, brah. I read Chinese, what to say. Guide sticker. Dust of his Arbery. Alright. The guide sticker, but I just took a piece of Scotch tape there to put that on. Alright. Beautiful wipes. There's some tools. You always love them when they got tools. I don't need the tools, but it's come with tools, so I don't have to go find my tools. Oh, great. The battery's low. Damn it. Alright, I gotta get a battery for this phone. Damn it. Alright, so we had to plug this damn phone into the battery. Okay, tool. Tools. Where's the pentalope? That's what that one's called. Smentalope. There. The tri-wing. Oh, this one's the tri-wing. I like working on cars, don't you? Brake dust and oil gets into your skin. That was a week ago. And I am not scraping my skin to get that shit off. Oh, there it is. It's showing you what it is right there. That's Phillips. And no, it's right. It's the pentalope. And, or no, this is the... Alright, these don't make sense. This is the one with the flappers. So what's this one? The star. Okay. So, there's the replacement screen. This is the screen. And this phone, the touch screen is messed up, so I can't turn it off. That's always nice, a piece of metal comes flying off of there. Look, Mommy, a washer. Oh, carpal tunnel's really kicking in, buddy. I gotta hope this thing stops. Doesn't do the passcode FU. Let's see. It's opened up here. See if we can get this thing done. Split. All right. Where do these go? You gotta go left, right with these, right? Batteries underneath there. Oh, this is so much fun with the damn battery in my way. Which one are these things? Gotta keep track of where you got these screws out of. You do like a pattern up here. That's the bottom right. That's a long screw right there. You see that? So don't mess these up. When you're screwing these back in, you screw them in till they stop moving. Very gently screw them when they stop moving. If it's not, and when it stops moving, if it's not all the way down, that's the wrong hole, dude. Never force these screws into their holes. Because if you put a long one in a short hole, so I'm making a pattern up there. If you put a long one in a short hole, you're gonna screw right into the circuit board and short everything out, break leads, all that jam. And then you come in. How come this isn't coming up? Buddy! Okay. Bring this up, and then you place it up here on how you took those screws off. And you have fun with your screwdriver. And the carpal tunnel. My fingers aren't working anymore. Is this the battery one? Nope, that's not the battery. Where's the battery at, yo? Shit, I thought that was the battery. This is the battery? This is the battery? Where is this? This is the battery. No, that's not the battery. That's the battery. No, that's not the battery. Damn, which one's the battery? Is it this one? All right, that's the battery. This one. All right, so battery's off. That comes off. That's up. Then these are the screwy size ones, right? Flapper bullshit. Yeah. These are the stupid flapper things. Keep those off to the side. In the correct order, buddy. It's gonna be a bad video, right? You can't see anything I'm doing. Buddy! Alright. And then this comes up. that screen is off. Now we need to transfer the button. And we need to make sure that they gave us everything. What were all these other connectors? I just don't remember. What the hell do all those other connectors do? Are these all this stuff? Yeah, it must be, huh? Oh yeah, that's the stuff over here. Yeah, if you're just doing the screen, you don't want to disconnect all these others. This one was the battery. Let's see. Does it pull up? Yeah, that's the battery. Oh my god, I'm not even showing you guys. That's the battery. Oh, I didn't even... Alright. So you just want to disconnect the battery. Don't disconnect these two. These three. This is definitely the battery. That's the lead going down to the battery. Alright. So I could connect up the new screen right now and see if the touch and all that works. But the home button's not going to work. Yeah, let's just transfer the home button, because that should be pretty simple. I'm looking at this like that's the new screen. Dippo. Those are my screws. Don't knock that box. Careful of that box. Okay, did they give us everything? Just want to check the screws. Make sure all the screws are in there tight. Not over tight, just tight. Alright. So, it looks like they gave us everything. This is the new screen. They didn't bend these correctly. Or they got screwed up in the box. How are these bent? These are bent. Oh my god, you can't even see. So they didn't... I gotta really adjust this damn thing. So they didn't bend these things correctly. And when you're getting these bent correctly, you want to make sure that these are all the same length out. Because if you bend one of them too short, it's going to come up short on the other side. So these here, when these are crimping, when these are crinched, they're coming into the thing a little. See that? So I'm going to try to match that over here. Just try to match it. All right, let's make sure these edge ones are tight. Gee, I don't even know if this is the right size. I don't even know if this is the right size. Oh, they're the other. They're this stupid thing. The three-pronger. I wonder why. So stupid. I don't know why Apple did that. Why would you do that? Just to be a dick? It's not even working on this one. This one like stripped or something. That one feels like it's stripped. Alright, so now we got to get that home button over. So that requires taking this screw off. And that feels like it's that crazy one, because that was not doing anything. And it is. It's the crazy one. Alright, so that goes there. Where's the other screw? The other screw is this one. And it goes there. And there's a third one. And then there's a screw in the middle of the home button. In the middle of the home button. That's the home button middle. Okay, there's that. That goes like that. And then the home button, you have to disconnect from there. You don't want to rip that. Do not want to rip this cable. Right. So I think this is attached down underneath. You want to be careful not to rip this cable. You can't see what I'm doing. You don't want to rip this cable. This cable, not this top part, the home button cable is glued double-sided tape down. You want to be very careful not to rip that cable. I'm the one that put this on last. I don't remember how much stuff I used. Hold it down. I usually don't do much. Why does it look like there's some cable going up inside there? I don't remember how to do this. Oh, is it broke on the other side? Wow, this is going to be a horrible video. So horrible. Alright, the double-sided tape is really holding that down. What did I use? I think I used... That one's too big. How am I using that? Thinner one. Don't knock those screws. Alright, I don't even think I have anything I'm doing on video. I think it's all off the screen. You're supposed to heat up this area so that the double-sided tape gives easier. I'm being a crazy mofo right about now. Why does it look like that cable's going under the screen? It's just scaring me just a tad. double-sided tape to it. What the hell's going on? Why is that attached there? There's nothing there. What the hell am I missing, brah? Alright, I gotta get this phone out of my face so I can see what the hell's going on. I'm trying to figure out what the hell's going on. Undo that. Alright, so when you lift, what was happening is when you lift up, when you lift this up, where is it? When you lift this cable up, there's a piece of black tape under there like that. That I had pinched in between there so it was holding the button. I had to break that piece of tape loose, that piece of tape down there. Alright, so is this the broken screen or the good screen? Alright, this is the broken one. Alright, so I have the button off. When the button comes off, it falls through the hole with its cable, so you got to stick it, the cable from the other side, stick the hole up and through. And then now you need to get this cable above, you know, it would be nice for me to show you what I'm doing. You have to get the screen cable on top of this cable, like that. And you gotta match up your holes, and you gotta match up this hole to the screw hole, and then this one to the pin. To that pin. I don't think I matched. Okay, now we got it. Sorry. Okay, now we got. God damn, dude. It's because this phone is hanging out. Oh, now I can fix it. Alright, so we got the white pin into the hole there. Now, we can flip this over and attach it. Assuming it's lined up. Well, this is an awful video. God damn it. All because I changed the angle of this phone, how it attaches. Don't mess up those screws. Such an odd, shitty video. Oh, I need where's my glasses? Oh, that's so awesome. It doesn't line up. You can't attach it if it doesn't line up. You know what? Tell you what. God damn. I can't do this with the damn phone in front of me. Alright. So pretty much back together. Then we got to deal with this bullshit. New iPhone bullshit. I gotta find the back glass for this. Okay, so everything's back on. Got the screws in. Touch fully working. Now to do the back glass. full one with that on already. So that one says iHome. Alright, so after watching a couple of videos on how to get the glass off, I'm not doing the glass. Forget about it. So that's it. All done. Now I just got to put protective glass onto this. Oops. I still got to take this off. And then put the protective glass on. Don't break it again, buddy. Alright, hold on. Mean Grandma. Never gonna happen. Sweet Tooth. You editing that?
Okay.
What you got?
So the Mean Grandma says, "Move in with me," and the other person's like, "That's never gonna happen." And for Sweet Tooth, I drew ice cream. That's a story.
Okay. So I got GK screaming at you to eat your broccoli.
I like broccoli.
And then you're like, you got the lollipop in your mouth. And you're like, not gonna happen.
Oh, that would happen with Marley. I would never do
I got myself a sweet tooth.
I wouldn't do that. That would happen with Natalie and Marley. Because they love lollipops. Graham Kelly, if you're watching this, make sure to subscribe.